Okay, is Honeywell United Technologies or is Honeywell Boeing? I put it like that because we had a disastrous guide and really just kind of downbeat cash flow number from Boeing yesterday, and it took a lot of people away because the aerospace cycle has been one of the cycles that has not peaked. Doug Cass writes a lot about peak cycles. Auto's been peaking. Some people think housing's been peaking. Cell phones obviously peaking, but not aerospace. Boeing made you feel that way. But then United Technologies, which is agnostic, they're in Airbus too, made you think, you know what, maybe this is a share game and that Airbus is getting far more orders because they are priced in euros. Now remember, you have to translate to dollars before you buy Boeing, but it doesn't matter. A Euro plane is cheaper. Honeywell's in all of them too. Now Honeywell's about half of what United Technologies is in terms of aerospace. They've got a lot of really good things. So when they report tomorrow, I do think that Dave Cody's going to deliver a really good number, maybe even better than United Technologies. Don't forget, they closed a $5 billion acquisition of Elster. One of the things that Honeywell's been able to do with its acquisitions is take out costs far more rapidly than people think. That deal closed in December. I think he'll give you an overview. Don't forget, this whole climate control business that he has is very strong. And some people think autos at peak, but you know what? Their turbo business is very strong. The only part of their business I'm concerned about is refinery chemicals, because obviously there are some slowdowns in the oil patch, but they're still refining oil like mad. So I'm not that worried about it. The thermostat business is going to be very strong. One of the things that Cody has been always talking about, by the way, is the seeds that he's planting. And we started hearing about new business lines that we haven't expected. So I think Honeywell's going to be more like United Technologies, which by the way has gotten cheaper, in part because they offloaded Sikorsky, which does have oil exposure. I'm not concerned about Lockheed Martin buying it, Lockheed Martin being an Action Alerts Plus.com name. But I think that Honeywell, ahead of the quarter, I say you buy half. And then after it reports, initially sometimes Honeywell goes down, you buy the other half.
To get more of Jim Cramer's investing ideas, as well as a peek at other stocks he owns in his multi-million-dollar charitable trust portfolio, subscribe to Action Alerts Plus. Sign up for Action Alerts Plus at getcrameredge.com. That's getcrameredge.com.